evaluate the integral of 3 cosine 23x sine 20x plus 20 sine 43x dx. So for this part, we can apply the product to sum identity, which is cosine of A sine of B is equal to 1/2 of sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. So therefore, we'll have integral of 3 times applying product to sum identity in cosine 23x sine 20x, that's equal to 1/2 sine of A plus B. So 23x is the A and 20x is the B. So sine of 23x plus 20x, then minus sine of A minus B, 23x minus 20x. And then plus, so let's just copy 20 sine 43x. So we have integral of 3 times 1/2, 3 halves of sine 23x plus 20x, 43x. Then minus sine of 23x minus 20x, 3x. Then plus 20 sine of 43x dx. And then let's distribute these 3 halves. So we'll have integral of 3 halves sine of 43x, then minus 3 halves sine of 3x plus 20 sine 43x dx. So we can combine 3 halves sine 43x plus 20 sine 43x because they are similar terms. So just add the coefficients, 3 halves plus 20, that's 43 over 2, right? Sine 43x, then minus 3 halves sine 3x. So we have two terms, we can distribute the integral symbol. So put the constant in front, 43 over 2 times the integral of sine 43x dx, then minus 3 halves integral of sine 3x dx. So 43 over 2 integral of sine 43x dx. So since the x inside the cosine inside the sinus coefficient of 43, as a shortcut formula, we'll have to put 1 over that coefficient of x 43. Then the integral of sine is negative cosine. Then copy 43x inside. Then minus 3 halves. Integral of sine 3x again. X this time has a coefficient of 3. So we must put 1 over that coefficient 3. And then again, the integral of sine is negative cosine. Copy 3x inside. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying further, we'll have, let's cancel the 43. So we have 1/2 times negative cosine 43x, or negative 1/2 cosine 43x. And then this one, cancel out the 3. We'll have 1/2 negative 1 half times negative cosine 3x, that will be positive 1 half cosine of 3x plus c. So this is the final answer.